Welcome, today in front of me T-MOBILE Revvl 6 Pro, and I'll show you how the face unlock does on that device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago. Now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it work. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here correct and fast. We can unlock the device less than in 1 second. This is the good result for the face unlock. I suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the pin code or passcode unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.